Hey friends, in today's video, we will talk about how you can edit your PDF document, convert it, and use AI with your PDF. You can chat with it, get help from it, assist it with AI, and even translate your PDF file. There are many more features in it. Its name is Wondershare PDFelement. Yes, of course, if you are used to Acrobat, this is a powerful alternative. We will also compare the pricing plans. In this, you get all the features that should be there in any professional software. Not only does it have advanced features, but it also offers some features that are not available in other software. The link to it is in the video description. You can download it by clicking there. After downloading, install it. After installation, open it, and you will see an interface like this. It has a very clean and intuitive interface. If you are a student, professional, or teacher and work a lot with PDFs, this software can be very useful for you. So here we have some quick tools. On the left side, you get some options along with quick tools. Let us first open our PDF file. Let's do it. Click on the Open PDF File button and select a file. You can see that I've opened this file, and on the right side I have options. You can chat with your PDF here. The chat with AI option is available. Some questions have already been posted here. I click on it. Can you summarize the content of the PDF? If I want to have a quick chat, I can do that too. I'll ask it something like, write a variety of marketing strategies, and it will start giving answers. So absolutely, if you have a long document and you don't want to read it all, you can chat with your document. We also have an assistant here, along with more features like chat, create, translate, grammar check, generate, and detect. Now, let's look at the translator feature. If you have any document that you want to translate into another language, you can do this very easily. Select a paragraph, and it will automatically translate it into your chosen language. You can choose the target language from here. After this, we have the grammar check feature. You can check the grammar in your document by selecting a paragraph. It will check the grammar and highlight any issues. Next, we have the AI Generate feature, by which you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation from your PDF. If you want to edit your PDF, click on the Edit button and you can make changes. You can delete any text in your PDF document, add new text, or make corrections very easily. You can also make text bold or underline it. The layout of the PDF will not change, and you can add text, change its color, or make it bold. You can also add images and links. You can apply a watermark to your PDF. Add any text to the watermark. Change its font. Opacity and position. You can even choose whether it appears in front of or behind the text. You also get the option to change the background of your PDF file. The highlight tool is available in the comment section, which lets you highlight any important parts or underline them. There are many highlighter colors to choose from. You can also use different arrows and shapes. Another feature is the stamp, where you can add stamps to your PDF file. There are many pre-made stamps available like approved, final, and completed. along with digital signature stamps. You also get the option to convert. You can convert your PDF into other formats. If you want to convert an image into text, just click and convert your PDF file in seconds. You also get different view modes like write mode, rotation options, and a read aloud feature that reads your document to you.
In the modern business landscape, digital marketing has revolutionized the way companies reach and engage their target audiences. With the rep,
you can adjust the speed and change the voice. In the modern business landscape, digital marketing is the way companies reach and engage with customers through audio and video. Additionally, you can rotate your PDF and use the Organize button to split, insert, or resize pages. You can easily extract any page from your PDF and use other features like cropping. In the Tools section, you can combine, compress, or compare your PDFs. If you have large files and want to share them, you can compress them. The Form and Protect buttons are also present. If you want to make your PDF secure, you can set a password to prevent editing or printing. Finally, you also have the option of signing documents and getting e-signatures online. Now, let's talk about the pricing plan. The standard plan is available at $12.99 per month. If you opt for the Pro plan, it's almost $20 per month. These are individual plans. For Wondershare PDFelement, you get a quarterly plan for just $12 and its yearly plan is $31. If you compare the prices with other options, this is a very affordable and powerful software for converting, editing, and managing PDFs. It also offers a lot of features. The link is in the description of the video. You can try it by clicking there. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.